Let's face it, dealing with a cough and runny nose is the worst, isn't it? It's not just the discomfort, it's the way it makes even the simplest tasks feel impossible. And when you've already tried every over-the-counter medicine, only to feel groggy or jittery, you start wondering, is there a better way? Good news, there is. In today's video, we'll explore 7 magical teas that not only soothe your symptoms but actually help your body recover naturally. But before we dive in, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. And for all our returning viewers, smash that like button, it really helps us reach more people who need this advice. Every year, millions of people suffer from seasonal coughs, colds, and runny noses. Whether it's the dry winter air, allergies in the spring, or that pesky flu season, these symptoms seem unavoidable. But did you know that natural remedies, especially teas, have been used for centuries to treat these very symptoms? What makes them so effective isn't just their warmth, it's the powerful healing properties in the herbs and ingredients themselves. So, if you're ready to discover which teas can transform your recovery journey, stick around. And don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite remedy, we'd love to hear it. 7 best teas to relieve cough and runny nose naturally. Tea number 1, ginger tea, the inflammation fighter. Ginger tea is a staple in natural medicine for good reason. Packed with anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, this tea not only soothes a sore throat but also boosts circulation, helping your body fight off infections faster. Plus, its spicy kick warms you up from the inside, making it perfect for those chilly days when you just can't stop shivering. How to make it? 1. Slice 2 to 3 thin pieces of fresh ginger. 2. Boil in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. 3. Add honey and lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Ginger has been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years to treat respiratory issues. Tea number 2, peppermint tea, nature's decongestant. Next up, peppermint tea, a lifesaver when you're dealing with congestion. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, opening up your airways and helping you breathe easier. Benefits: 1. Reduces throat irritation. 2. Soothes headaches often caused by sinus pressure. For an even stronger effect, inhale the steam while the tea is brewing. It's like aromatherapy for your sinuses. Tea number 3, chamomile tea, the ultimate soother. When your cough is keeping you up at night, chamomile tea is your best friend. Known for its calming properties, this tea helps relax your throat muscles and promotes better sleep. How to enjoy? Drink a warm cup 30 minutes before bed, and you'll wake up feeling more refreshed, even if you're still fighting those symptoms. Tea number 4, thyme tea, the natural cough suppressant. Thyme isn't just a cooking herb, it's also a powerful ally against coughs. Rich in antioxidants and antibacterial compounds, thyme tea helps clear mucus and ease chest tightness. How to brew? 1. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in hot water for 10 minutes. 2. Add honey for added soothing power. Tea number 5, licorice root tea, the sweet healer. Licorice root tea is like nature's candy with a purpose. It coats your throat, reducing irritation, while its antiviral properties help speed up recovery. Tea number 6, echinacea tea, immunity booster. Echinacea tea doesn't just treat symptoms, it helps prevent them by boosting your immune system. Studies show that drinking echinacea tea regularly during cold season can reduce your risk of catching a cold by up to 58%. Tea number 7, elderberry tea, the viral defender. Elderberry tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. It's especially effective against viral infections, making it perfect for fighting off the flu. Tips for enhancing recovery. While teas are amazing, let's not forget the basics. 1. Stay hydrated. 2. Rest as much as possible. 3. Use a humidifier to keep your airways moist. 4. And don't forget to eat nutrient-rich foods that support your immune system. Do you have any personal recovery tips? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to share them with the community. So there you have it, 7 incredible teas that can help you fight off coughs and runny noses the natural way. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, if you found value in this video, hit that like button, share it with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more health hacks and remedies. Until next time, stay cozy, stay healthy, and keep sipping on the good stuff.